Happy day 34. Why are you laughing?
Were you shaking it in the camera?
Mom, can I have a shake?
Girl, I just cooked you some oatmeal today.
Don't judge me. Don't talk me. Do. This is yours, AJ.
Cheers.
You're hanging yours up on yours.
Goalies. Super green. Frozen super green.
Yeah, I have one. Thank you.
Daddy made everybody oatmeal, but there's hocks in their mouth. I have oatmeal, and I was debating on oatmeal, but I'm really craving this shake. I really want it, so I'm gonna go make my shake now.
Daddy, can you give me that? Okay.
Here's some MELISA, the lovely MELISA. Cheers.
No, it's not blue, it's pink.
Today is my Sunday. It's actually Saturday, but I have to do everything I usually do on Sundays because tomorrow is competition. So, going to the store to get some stuff.
Mommy, you should push us in that cart.
Cadence wants me to push them in the kid cart at Target.
Okay, step
Not
on my
too
shoe
heavy.
again.
Where y'all in my way. Should have pushed me. I got the shaken espresso. It's 140 calories, and I love it. This is one of my snacks today, so I can get through what I have to do. Every time I get a large water, because their water is amazing, and a medium vanilla toasted shaken espresso, and it's only 140 calories. Boom.
Her family killer.
Our Target runs always turn into something, and right now it's turning into a
How Princess Diana
Princess
died.
Diana
Her family murdered her.
documentary.
Hey Siri.
Kind of upset because last time I came, they had these protein wraps that were so good, and they don't have them today. But they don't have them. I think I am just going to get. I'm gonna get this keto one since they don't have the one I want. Should I get the keto, which is 100 calories, or the flatbread, 9 grams of protein, 100 calories, or 70 calories, 9 grams of protein. These are tiny, so I think I'm gonna get this one because this one I would end up eating 2 of them. So I'll just get one. That makes more sense.
Mom, stop. Rotisserie chicken.
Today we are at the store, my beautiful mother and my crazy sister, and
You're
we
not
made
as cool as me.
we made a TikTok, and I slayed and she did not.
Next.
My husband loves granola, so I am going to get him this one. This one looks delicious. I get him a different one every time. I did not come here for this, but this looks amazing. So we're gonna get this. And I'm going to eat this today on my flatbread. Like, what are you guys even doing? They do not have the creamer. I usually get either the silk one, so I'm going to try this one. This is, I guess, the Aldi brand. I'm gonna try this one. We need more yogurt, so we're gonna get this one. Greek yogurt, vanilla. Need to get some juice for the babies because they're going to be in the house tomorrow with my husband, and I don't want him to be stuck there with no juice because poor guy. He's taking one for the team tomorrow again. And I'm going to need one of these tomorrow. So let's get orange.
Too about us at the store. Can we make Chipotle bowls, mommy? My sister's so pretty, guys. Just look at her. Just take a second to look at her. Okay, guys. Oh wait, let me put it in 0.5. 0.6. You have a 0.6?
I want mommy's phone.
Post.
It's only on you, which means God.
It's on 0.5. It shows everybody.
It's literally on you.
It's 0.5.
What we're getting from Aldi. This is it. Not a lot.
It's because I twisted. Something was like an old lady.
I'm back here again. So I just got home and I just put away all that stuff, but now I have to cook food for today and tomorrow because I'm gonna be gone all day tomorrow at competition. So I like to cook so my husband doesn't have to worry about food for him and the kids. So I'm also going to meal prep his lunches for Monday and Tuesday because I usually do that on Sundays, but obviously I'm not going to be here tomorrow, so I'm going to prep those. So I'll show you guys. And before I start all of that, I'm also going to make a snack before I start cooking because I'm hungry, obviously. We've been out all morning. And I'm going to take one of these real quick because I need the energy and I haven't taken this. So. Okay, before I start cooking and prepping, I'm going to make a snack. I was going to have avocado toast, but my husband said we should just eat some cereal. So I'm going back to this 15 grams of protein in a cup and 1/3. And he's happy about the granola that I got from all the...
You good?
I know.
You got a lot of people.
So, this is what I'm having. My cereal and my almond milk. Snack time. Mad that I forgot to buy bananas. We don't have no more bananas. I love cereal and bananas. That's my snack. I don't have my banana to add, so I just put a handful of Raisin Bran in there just so I can have like something mixed in it. I love raisins. So that's my complete snack. Let me go put it in my fitness pal. am making, my husband and I, some food. I'm gonna use this flatbread that I got from Aldi. This one is 100 calories and 9 grams of protein. One for me, one for him. I'm actually gonna warm these up in the microwave. This is fresh mozzarella. I like buying this one because it's already cut. The chicken that I made earlier, and I pulled it so it's like a thing of pulled chicken so that we can make it all different kind of ways. It's like barbecue chicken tomorrow. He can make barbecue chicken. This is the pesto that I got from Aldi earlier. I'm going to put pesto on top of the chicken. I'm going to warm these up before I do anything else. So mine is warming up. This one's for my husband. And then I'm going to get some feta cheese. This one is mine, and I love tomatoes, so I'm gonna put 2 tomatoes. Wow, they're all big ones. Let me add some more to my husband's because he just got like crumbs. We're gonna get some glaze, and we're just gonna top them off with a tiny bit of glaze. Not a lot, just a little bit for some flavor. And this is my first actual meal of the day. I've had a shake and some cereal, so now I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this, finish cleaning up for the night, and then I'll have my shake later. So, cheers!
Mommy.
It is finally the end of the day. Everything is done. I meal prepped, I did grocery shopping, I cleaned, I did laundry, I ate. Everything that I do on Sundays is done today so that tomorrow will be good. I have my shake, I have my MELISA, my super greens, and I'm gonna do my treatment, and I am going to chill. We're trying to get the fights on the TV. Brooklyn and Avi are already asleep. We had a long day, so hopefully we can watch this fight and then go to bed. We'll see how that goes. So, the lesson. Cheers. That's that for today. See you on the next video.